1.3.5 can apply the concept of algebraic patterns to non-routine contexts. At a local discount clothing store, 4 shirts and 3 pairs of trousers cost $138. If a pair of trousers costs 2.5 times as much as a shirt, determine the cost for each. So, with either word questions, I'm going to define my variables. S is the cost of a shirt, and T is going to be the cost of trousers. So I know that T, the cost of a trouser, is 2.5 times as much as a shirt. So I'm going to 2.5 times shirt, or 5 shirt over 2. 2.5 is the same as saying 5 divided by 2. Now, when we try to solve these sorts of questions, what we try to do is we try to use the least number of letters I can. So we try to use the same letters where possible. So I know that T is worth 2.5 S's. So every time I see a letter every time I see a letter T, I'm going to replace it with 2.5 S's. So that's going to make this equal to 4S plus 3 times 2.5 S's. So that means 4 S's, 3 times 2.5, or 2 times 2.5 is 5. 5 plus another 2.5 is 7. 38. So that's going to be 4 plus 7.5 is going to make that 11.5 S's equals 138. And so what we now need to do is we now need to go and do a division. Now for so I know that 11.5 S's equals 138. So what I would need to do is I need to figure out how much one shirt would be. Now you can pop this on the calculator for now. However, you could also do this by doing turning that 11.5 into a fraction. So that's 11.5. So 11.5 is the same as 23 over 2S. This one was a tricky one because you had to sort of try to figure out what number could possibly fit into both 23 and 138. It was a bit of a mean question. So, but 23 can divide into 138, and it can go in 6 times. So 6 times 2 gets you 12. So that means each shirt costs $12. And I know a trousers costs 2.5 times that. So for trousers, this is equal to 2.5 times by 12, which would get us into $30. Because 2 times 12 is 24, half of 12 is 6, 24 plus 6 gets me 30.